This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So in order to do that, that's basically a very simple and straightforward process to perform. So launch settings, then you gotta find and enter the About Device category, which is located at the very bottom of the main settings page. And in here, in its own separate section, you can see how much RAM you have, which is in my case 4 GB plus 4 additional virtual gigabytes of RAM that I have enabled through the memory expansion or RAM expansion feature, which we have the whole separate video about. So if you're interested, make sure to check it out. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.